The question says that check the ratio Ke square by G-MEMP is dimensionless. Look up the table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does this ratio signify? So here in question, the scenario is of two particles, namely electron and proton. And this ratio represents the ratio of the electrostatic force to that of the gravitational force. So we know the expression of electrostatic force, that is F, if we represent it by Fe, that would be equal to K times charge on electron, and it is represented by E, multiplied with charge of proton, again it is E, divided by distance of separation, that is R square. Now if we represent the distance of separation by R, then it would be Ke square by R square. Now similarly, we can write the expression for gravitational force like this. Fg would be equal to G, that is gravitational constant, times mass of electron times mass of proton divided by R square. Now if we find out the ratio, that is Fe by Fg, that would be equal to this given quantity, that is Ke square by G, mass of electron times mass of proton. So we have to find out this ratio, and we have to determine the value of this ratio, and we have to say what does this signify. Now we know already that what does this signify. The ratio signifies the ratio of electrostatic force to that of the gravitational force, and if we find the value of it, then we can find by how much quantity electrostatic force is higher or lower than that of the gravitational force. So here we know that K is the Coulomb's constant, that is given by 8.988 into 10 to the power 9 meters square per coulomb square. Similarly, charge of electron, we know the value, and we have to take this value from the table. And G, the value of G is also known, the mass of electron and mass of proton is also known. So substituting these values in this expression, we will get the value of Ke square by G-MEMP equals to 2.27 into 10 to the power 39. Now this ratio represents the relative strength between electrostatic and the gravitational force, and we see here that force of electrostatics is 2.27 into 10 to the power 39 times that of the gravitational force. That is, electrostatic force is much higher than that of the gravitational force, and it is higher by the order of magnitude this much. Thank you.